Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this channel I'll be documenting my journey in forex trading and also as a student. So please try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want to be having or watching more better content like this, so that you can balance yourself also as a student, maybe as a worker. So by you watching this video, to show you to give you an edge how you can be able to navigate and also try to see for yourself what I do and what I don't do during my academic time and during my exam time, or let me say towards during my ups and down moment in the forex market industry. So this video I'll be talking about how I used to mark my zones for the week, because every Sunday we have to stay with the chart and understand and see for potential movement, let me say Monday or Tuesday, so that we can be able to trade it. We don't need to be entering market blindly, because when we enter blindly we are going to lose huge amount of money. So in this video I will just mark my zones. So I will be showing you how I was able to mark these zones and how it will reflect within the week in those area or in those zones. Then within the week subsequently I'll be showing you my videos, and I'll be uploading more subsequent video about how my daily routines are, or what I expect in that zone, or how I was able to navigate within that zone. Cool, that's what I'm going to do. So please try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more better video like this. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's move into the video. So as you can see here on my screen, I have gold, I have Euro JPY, I have GP USD, I have Euro USD. So I mostly trade gold. So here, as you can see in gold, here is a monthly time frame. Here is a monthly time frame in gold. Here is a monthly time frame. As you can see in gold, it has reached the highest peak of its movement. Let me say this month of March. As you can see, look at the monthly chart. This bullish candle move higher. Let me dive into weekly so that you can see what I'm seeing. As you can see in weekly, it have reached the highest level. It have even increased and go the highest optimal level. And there's no any data that we can use to navigate, let me say, from the previous to the present. So there's no chart that we can use to diversify and see for clarity of any other zone. So here is a risky zone, or is a risky trading area, but still we are going to check and see for potential probability of movement. You understand? Because forex is a game of probability. So I will be going into daily. So this is daily. So this is daily. As you can see how market reacted last week, it wanted to try to move downward as getting bearish candles. But mind you, look at weekly. It won't close as let me say shooting star or dodgy. But let's see how tomorrow candle will open, which is Monday. Let's see how it's going to open. So with this, I'll just use daily candle to see whether I can be able to get zones where I'll be expecting massive movement or massive participant in the market. Daily. Okay, I'm in daily. So in daily here, let me start with the concept of how I used to mark my zone. Here, engulfing. Here, engulfing buy. Please, it's the yellow that is engulfing. It's the yellow, but this is not a perfect engulfing, but this is engulfing when I dive into H4. So I start from daily, then go down to H4 and H1, because we are going to see the higher probability in them, in those kind, because we are doing intraday trading. So I have done this. So let me go to H4 so that we can see potential movement. As you can see, look at where I told you, you will see a bullish engulfing by H4. Look at it as It's showing here over here. So without wasting much, let me dive into it so that you can see it practically, one after the other in the zone, in where I will be expecting movement to occur. So here we have engulfing buy, we have engulfing buy, so we have engulfing buy here, we have engulfing buy here. No, here is not equal to engulfing, but here you just poked it and go. So this probability or this potential of this candle to reach here before it spike up, or it might spike up and reach here and drop down. So let me use my zones. So in my candlestick or in my zones, this yellow box, this yellow that I'm going to be drawing, these yellow lines, all are H4. If I see H4, that is all my H4 zones. That is how I used to mark them. So let's even check here in case market break this level. So here there's potential and this probability here. This kind under H4 candle. So I will do it like this also. Mind that I will still enter into H1 and dive into it and see for myself. I'll see for myself. After this, so after these two zones, then I will look at the upper region also. Here there is also H4 engulfing. Here is also H4 engulfing, but I will use H1 to filter it very well. Here, and also look at another H4 here, also another H4 candle that I will be expecting retracement. Here the chart is getting messy, don't worry, I will filter it, you are going to see for yourself. So with this, let me dive into H1 and filter the zones very well. Let me filter the zones very well. I don't want to be doing what I don't want to do, or I don't enter the market blindly without seeing any confirmation. So H1. Under H1, I have to minimize my zoom to come back to this level. Then after this H4 also. I'll be expecting to reach this level. This level. Okay, let me see, I'm still moving. Then towards this, towards the downside of this movement downward, so I will still adjust and see how candle behave or how candle react. Yeah, so I'm going to still dive it to this place. So it's here I will be expecting any buy in this zone. This zone. So here all is H1. So if one zone break, you wait for another zone. If the zone failed, you wait for another zone. So that is how I used to do my trading. That's how I used to do my trading. So immediately price come back to this place, I will look for opportunity to sell. But if it fail, I'll wait for this another zone here. And if here fail, I'll wait. So whenever this zone is broken, each one can close above, I can take a, let me say, continuation buy. And once it's reach here, it didn't break, I will take look for a sell. So even when price reach here, I can buy. So but immediately the market break and close below there, I will wait for this potential place and I will sell. I will wait for this zone 21, 28. So this is what I have as of today, being Sunday 24th March. Let me use M15 to see how I used to check my M15 entry patterns. Wow. M15. So here is M15 critical level for this. Let me put it on red. On red. So M15 is red. That is dangerous. It will just poke and go. It just poke. Price will just poke and go. Price will poke and go. Price will just poke and drop. So this M15. I'm going to put it on my YouTube, and let me say my Telegram. I'm going to upload the pictures so that you can be able to see. And let's see how it will be. And if I check H1, there's something called trend line movement. Those that love trend line trading, so as you can see, so there's probability of market to reach here and drop, or market from here, because of this H1 engulfing cell, market will drop and reach here. So whichever way, we don't know, we are just following the market trend to see what we can be able to have. So these are the zones. If you want to mark, I will keep these zones. I will keep these zones so that you can be able to see what we have within the week, as I will be uploading my daily routine every, let me say, Sunday. On Wednesday, I will upload another video like this, or on Tuesday I will upload, so that you can be able to see how the market was able to move from one point to another. And please remember, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can see more videos. And I will show you deeply how this is going to be done, like practically aspect, one after the other, so that you too, you are going to understand this Forex trading, or Forex, how to analyze Forex in a good way, so that you cannot be able to lose your money. But please remember, patience and risk management are the key to be a profitable Forex trader. Try to be patient in whatsoever you are doing. Try to be consistency. If you put consistency, that's what will put food on your table for you. Please, these are an inspiring video for my upcoming YouTubers, for my upcoming Forex or my content creator. Please never give up in whatsoever you're doing. So please join me. And this video is for educational purposes. Anything, take risk at your own risk, but please make research before you dive into what the Forex trading or anything that will cause you financial issue. So please, see you on my next episode. See you. Thank you. Peace.